Awalnya aku ngira itu editan, terus aku lihat-lihat, wah beneran itu aku. Aku jadi senyum-senyum sendiri jadinya.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Spotlight World Cinema. We've got something truly special for today. She's young, talented, and has touched heart all around the world with her role in Whisper of the Banyan. And guess what? She's only 10, so please welcome Maria, joined by her interpreter, Nanay! Hi, it's so great to finally meet you again. Thank you so much for being here.
Hai, senang sekali bertemu denganmu. Terima kasih sudah datang ke sini.
Hai, aku juga senang bisa bertemu di sini.
You said that she's very happy to be here.
Oh, we're so excited. So let's start with this. How does it feel in seeing your face on poster in different countries on streaming platforms everywhere?
Gimana rasanya lihat wajah kamu ada di poster-poster di negara lain, di internet, di streaming, pokoknya ada di mana-mana.
Iya, awalnya aku ngira itu editan, terus aku lihat-lihat, wah beneran itu aku. Aku jadi senyum-senyum sendiri jadinya.
She said at first she thought it was edited like a fan thing, but then she realized it was real, and she couldn't stop smiling.
I mean, I'd be smiling too. That's so sweet. So let's talk about the Whisper of the Banyan. Your performance was so emotional, powerful. What was like it on set?
Kita ngobrol nih soal film kamu kemarin. Acting kamu tuh kan emosional banget, kuat banget. Gimana sih rasanya waktu syuting kemarin itu?
Seru sih, tapi capek juga. Kadang harus nangis berulang-ulang. Terus pas adegan hujan tuh baju aku basah semua. Untungnya kakak krunya baik semua, suka kasih aku selimut kalau aku kedinginan.
She said that it was exciting but also tiring, especially when the emotional scenes come, like crying over and over or filming in the rain. But the crew was super kind, always gave her blankets when she gets cold.
Oh, that's so heartwarming. Sounds like a real family on set.
Ya, kayak keluarga.
She said that it's indeed felt like family.
Did you feel like you had something in common with your character?
Kamu merasa punya kesamaan gak sama karakter kamu di film ini?
Iya, soalnya dia suka ngomong sendiri, aku juga suka gitu. Terus dia juga suka diam-diam ngeliatin langit, aku juga suka gitu.
Okay. She said yes, her character talks to herself and watches the sky a lot. And she does that too.
That's a beautiful habit. Sometimes the sky says more than people. So next, what's one moment during filming that you will never forget?
Jadi momen apa yang paling kamu ingat selama syuting ini?
Pas itu aku ketawa terus, padahal kan harus sedih. Sutradaranya sampai bilang, ayo serius dulu. Tapi gak bisa, soalnya krunya pada iseng.
Okay, she said there was a sad scene, but she kept laughing. The director had to remind her to be serious, but the crew kept teasing her off camera.
That's a classic. That's how you know everyone had fun. Do you feel like your life has changed since the film came out?
Kamu merasa nggak hidup kamu itu berubah semenjak film ini menjadi terkenal?
Agak sih, aku kalau jalan-jalan keluar, orang-orang pada kenal aku, terus pada minta foto.
She said yeah, kind of. Now, when she goes out, a lot of people recognize her and ask her to take a picture.
That must feel a little surreal, right? Do people recognize you everywhere?
Kayaknya pasti terasa aneh ya, kayak gak nyata gitu. Emang sekarang orang-orang mengenal kamu di mana-mana?
Kadang sih, pernah aku lagi beli es krim juga, ada orang yang bilang, kamu yang di film itu ya, terus minta foto gitu.
Yeah, she said sometimes even when she just out buying an ice cream, people go, hey, you're the girl from that movie, and ask for a picture.
That's adorable. Have you learned how to do the classic celebrity wave?
Kamu udah belajar belum? Lambaian khas selebriti itu kayak gini?
Belum sih, aku cuma lambain biasa aja, kayak lambain di sekolah ke temen.
She said not yet. She still waves like she's in school just to her friends.
Honestly, that's the best kind of wave. Stay like that. So, what's the sweetest fans interaction you have had so far?
Jadi, apa interaksi paling lucu atau paling manis yang pernah kamu alami sama fans?
Aku pernah dapat surat, isinya panjang banget. Di situ dia bilang dia nangis pas nonton aku di film, terus dia jadi pengen belajar acting.
She once received a really long letter from a fan who said they cried watching her performance, and it even inspired them to want to learn acting too.
Oh, that's beautiful. You're already inspiring people around the world.
Dia bilang, kamu udah jadi inspirasi buat banyak orang di seluruh dunia.
Makasih, aku jadi pengen lebih banyak belajar biar makin bagus.
He said thank you, and that just makes her want to keep learning so she can get even better.
Before we go to the final part, it's time for a game. We call it Quick Pick. Just answer fast, not thinking.
Jadi sebelum kita ke bagian akhir, waktunya main. Namanya quick pick, jawab cepet ya, nggak usah pakai mikir.
Oke, siap.
Okay, ready? Quick Pick. Cats or dog?
Cat,
Ice cream or cake?
ice cream,
Run super fast or fly slowly?
fly slowly,
School holiday or film shooting?
film shooting,
Morning or night?
morning,
Singing or dancing?
singing,
Forest adventure or city life?
city light,
One best friend or many friends?
many friends.
Oh, you nailed it! That was fun!
Yes.
So the next question, what do you dream of doing next? More acting or something totally different?
Kamu pengen ngapain lagi nanti? Masih mau acting atau pengen coba hal lain?
Mau banget acting lagi, tapi aku juga jadi pengen nulis cerita, film juga, bisa gak ya?
She wants to act more, but also dreams of becoming an author. Maybe a scriptwriter too. She wonders if that's possible.
Of course, it's possible. If anyone can, you can. So this is last question, and it's important one. What would you like to say to all the fans watching you from all over the world?
Pertanyaan terakhir nih, kamu mau bilang apa ke semua fans yang ada di seluruh dunia yang lagi nonton?
Aku mau ngucapin makasih banyak dan aku gak nyangka bisa sama kayak gini. Dan aku janji bakal terus belajar dan bikin cerita-cerita yang akan bikin kalian ngerasa ditemani nantinya.
She said that thank you so much. She never expected all of this. And she promised to keep learning and making stories that help people feel less alone.
That is beautiful. Thank you, Maria. Thank you so much for sharing your heart with us. Maria reminds us why cinema speaks every language. We can't wait to see where her story goes next. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, keep watching, keep dreaming here on Spotlight World Cinema.